VOLTEX. Make the text valuable. VT-H7D-4T-24FL is a direct drive, only high-speed overlock sewing machine. The integrated electronic control box design is beautiful and generous. Adopts an automatic lubrication oil supply system. The body is heavier and the operation is more stable. With USB charging function, the fastest speed reaches 5,500 revolutions per minute. With press foot lifting function, much easier for users to operate and more economic. It is suitable for various sewing operations such as knitting garments, underwear, shoes, t-shirts, silk, chemical fiber joint overlocking, etc.